Have you been annoyed by the dmp4 module DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze localized MP4 orchestration logic dependency and restore that missing file. As we prepare the manual solution for dmp4 module, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the dmp4 module. This library is responsible for demuxing or separating the audio and video streams within an MP4 media container. It is utilized by video editing tools and media players that do not use the native Windows Media Foundation. Missing dmp4.dll results in video files playing with no audio, or the application reporting failed to parse media stream. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. dmp4 acts as a vital connection for localized MP4 orchestration logic operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered dmp4 module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install dmp4 module DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for dmp4 module. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing dmp4 module was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.